say if somebody me, they go they go to suspect the wife, say na the wife, oh, na the wife, na your husband, oh, this, that, oh. And I don't ever see where woman go just sit down, say he want me your husband. The thing they shockalize me, oh, when I go see am where people go they talk am, the thing go they surprise me. Ask about the woman go just eat belly, if you go say want me your husband. The family of the man, the confirmation land begin to fight the woman. They say, I saw the woman, when their brother, this, that. The woman say, no, one, he no, two. He said, they fight him. If like saying the brother of the lady, now come they video them. They even tell and say, video us where. The ladies now even come they fight. Then they fight the woman. Now so you remember their brother, now so you do this, now so they go deal with him. What even make her even rent their brother ass out, this, that, not when they don't do the woman, you know. I was like, are you people kidding me right now? As in, I wanna go just reason, sit down, reason and say the woman go meme on her brother. What you want meme on her brother for? Why? He not like make your husband there with him, I be waiting or he want no less they take care of the children. Like seriously, I don't talk say not the apple, no, but this one now. A day obvious said the woman never know why, no too. The woman said that they come they fight him. They say why he go rent their brother ass out. According to the woman whether they interview her, he said that the man evil tell him, say make you rent the house out before he die. Say make you put rent for the house where they sick. So me don't know why they call you, they say why he said then they rent, you can't go they rent their brother house out. Like seriously, madam, you know the husband house. Focus on your own husband, your marriage. If your own husband now, this woman where they fight for your brother, if your own husband maybe tomorrow they can't tell you say now you do, you go like this woman, you go they dance or you go they happy. Your own day your body really. You go they dance or you go they happy. Say your own husband. Say that they suspect you. Say that you remember. You go like what if they don't go do to no go they do to person. You they happy now they dance. Say your brother. Una they fight una brother woman. You they happy now be. You they dance now. Like seriously. When we go to civilize when we go to civilize, we will be Africa people. Africa people when we go civilize when una de una body not be small. Africans. We too they do that thing. Somebody go drop me or say that the woman. Okay, what did the woman go gain when you go meme your husband? What did she want gain when you go meme your husband? What did she go gain? The time with this woman too, Esther, Damascus, where they art film, when the husband remember that time, the same thing they do that woman. They barb her hair, they beat her, they do so many things. They say that she meme your husband. What did she want gain when she go meme your husband? What did she go gain? My people, more see the reason something now. What did she go gain when they come meme your husband? Africans, we too they do that thing. It's not good. It's not good for us. Can somebody go just reason go say the woman that meme your husband? What you go make up meme your husband? Man, even play the video small when I even see when the woman they say video us where, we go deal with you, we go do this. Like seriously, Okay.
Now they call this house, call the shatters.
Okay.
They give the destroy everything.
I don't want to show the video because again, when I show the video, YouTube not going to monetize them. So I don't want to show the video. Man, I have to listen to the record.
When I see the crowd when they cross.
So all those women, they are all their body.
Now this one where Daniel want to show.
Okay.
See this pattern, see.
They just beat the woman for nothing.
Now they come.
For
They come
nothing.
destroy everything for his house.
You see, they destroy everything for his house.
Now this lady husband die. Like this.
Okay.
Madam, wait till where they fight you.
I think I'm making my husband.
Okay.
I think I'm making her.
Una dey hear. They say na she me your husband.
I think I'm making her.
Okay.
They say no carry they go where they go. The man say no carry and go where they go baptize.
Because I know I go baptize.
Okay.
For us. I don't carry and go where they for the baptize. Say the carry person go where they for the baptize. Say get commission where they give their one go baptize. I don't carry and go.
Okay. Say you get commission where they give, they want go buy time.
You don't want to say the woman say put in that for her. They
Okay.
think they
Put her out for us. He say junior brother.
Okay, who built the house?
My husband build the house.
Now your husband built the house.
My husband build the house. So he
Una
said
dey hear.
junior brother.
Your husband, he build that so.
He said me go put her out for us. My
Who
husband
say
he said
you put it out for
my
us?
husband he said make I put her out for us.
Who say you put it out for
My
us?
husband said make I put her out for us.
Your
I
husband.
use the money to pay tithes, pray for best birthday feast tithes. I use the money to pay the man
He
complete.
say me use the money to pay where they for buy time.
Next time I put ten out for us, I collect the money to go pay.
Who got the corner and say you put it out for us?
Na my husband sister with his brother.
Your husband sister with his
Put ten out
brother.
for us when they dey rent. Let me
They no
put
dey
ten
even
out
shame.
for us when they dey rent.
They know they even shame.
Mona say as family be, or
Yeah.
as people be.
Not be all Isha, my brother. Not be all Isha. Not be all Isha. But that statement wey you use, not be all Isha. Not be all Isha, they bad.
Aisha people.
They say they see am for Benin, they see am for Ekwale, they see am for everywhere. You understand? Hey, not be all Isha bad.
See, then there be this. Now there be this.
Video where?
You say make video well. Make video na well. Make
Now
video
this
na
one they
well.
talk say you the brother wife go buy ties. Why not tell her?
You say make video na well. Make video na well. Nothing the mega, nothing the happy. Who I go happy say your brother die? I go happy. Who they happy for that kind
Now
thing?
what the destroy the
I go happy say your brother die.
They say that sister
I
died,
go
their brother
happy.
died. That
I
they begin to find their
beg you.
brother wife.
I go happy. The woman are bad woman. This sister in I bet some women hold their body boo. I don't want to show the video because the person will get the video right in a football. Some women hold their body. See what should they talk? You they happy? You they happy see our brother? I go happy see your brother meme. I go happy see your brother meme. Who go happy for that kind thing? Who go happy for that kind thing, my people? More than reason now. Who go happy for that kind thing? The way some people take the reason, the thing, not the door. The thing they choctalize me. The way some people take the reason. How you reason that kind of thing? Say it your brother. It your husband. So women just like I don't understand really. I don't understand the way they take they behave. I don't understand. Our African people, more civilized, more get sense. More get sense, really. Who does that? How can somebody go there happy say your husband meme? Who go there happy? Because of waiting, because of how much? Because they not give una money or not follow and go buy this mate or buy the ties. Una will call your suspect and say that the woman ain't meme your husband. I beg African people, more not they do all those kind of mentality. The locality of some of us, part two, know your damn really. Lock the door. The locality, part two, know damn. Africans, where would they use our HQ? Where would they use our brain? They do some kind of things, really. I just make I just give little advice to our African people. We too they do that thing, really. We too they do them. It's not good. Somebody go maybe will say that his wife na his husband. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that, really? Who does that? Africans. I beg you. Eh? I don't just understand why African people, they behave like that. My people, and I so want to do this video reach today. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. And anything you think about this video, just give your comment, leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye, and always put thumbs up for me. Bye. So I'll be doing my live video on Saturday to appreciate my subscribers and una will make it possible for me. Thank you, everybody. Take care. 2 p.m. on Saturday, I will be on live video and I will see my real face. So bye, everybody.